Hello and welcome to SatTV Week, the news programme for the global satellite industry. In this week's programme, Tricia has news of the successful launch of the Inmarsat AlphaSat satellite, and Richard has news on Eutelsat's latest acquisition. But first, Comtech EF Data has received a $1.1 million order for high-power amplifiers from a global systems integrator. The amplifiers will support a new commercial network in the Commonwealth of Independent States region. The order specified the HPOD Ku-band high-power amplifiers, which feature field-replaceable power supplies and redundant system control. The units utilise low-loss combining technique and MCP-based temperature versus gain compensation. The phase-combined systems allow the outputs of two amplifiers to be summed together for even higher power. With the unique approach to L-band frequency conversion, the optional Smart BUC functionality eliminates DC and 10 MHz from the input coax. Providing more value than competitive solutions, the base units include temperature compensation, sample ports, power monitor, field replaceable power factor corrected supply, and full remote monitor and control capabilities. Asia Broadcast Satellite has announced the confirmation of the build of ABS-2A, a multi-beam 48 transponder Ku satellite, which will be launched in the fourth quarter of 2015 to ABS's prime 75 degrees east location. ABS-2A, covering the growing markets of Russia, India, Middle East, Africa, Southeast Asia and the Indian Ocean region, will follow ABS-2, the largest satellite to be launched over Asia, scheduled in late 2013. With 2.6 GHz of Ku-band spectrum, ABS-2A nearly doubles the available Ku-band frequencies available at 75 degrees east. Together with ABS-2, ABS-2A will deliver a total of 154 MHz Ku-band capacity to a growing list of premium DTH customers, VSAT operators, and maritime and mobility customers. SpaceX has been awarded a launch reservation contract with McDonald Detweiler and Associates to support the largest space program to date in Canada, carrying the 3 satellites to orbit that will make up the RadarSat constellation mission on a Falcon 9 rocket in 2018. RCM is a 3-satellite configuration and will support Canada's need for maritime surveillance, disaster management and ecosystem monitoring. The mission will build on the successes of RadarSat-1 and RadarSat-2. SpaceX will conduct its first mission for MDA this year, launching the Cassiopeia satellite on a Falcon 9.
Inmarsat has confirmed the successful launch of AlphaSat, the largest satellite designated I4AF4. AlphaSat was launched on an Ariane 5 ECA, the latest version of the Ariane 5 launcher from the Arianespace Centre in Kourou on the 25th of July. Arianespace confirmed a successful spacecraft separation at 27 minutes 45 seconds after launch, and the AlphaSat mission operations team confirmed telemetry reception and command of the satellite. Inmarsat is the owner and operator of AlphaSat, one of the most technically advanced telecommunications satellites ever constructed for civilian applications. With a $350 million investment, AlphaSat complements the company's award-winning L-band satellite fleet, which has been powering global broadband connectivity for government and commercial customers on land, sea and in the air since 2009. According to Rupert Pearce, CEO of Inmarsat, AlphaSat will strengthen our existing I4 series satellite constellation, providing coverage over Europe, the Middle East and Africa. The launch demonstrates Inmarsat's long-term commitment to L-band services and marks a significant milestone in the evolution of Inmarsat's flagship satellite fleet, bringing new capabilities both in terms of performance and resource availability.
Eutelsat Communications has reached an agreement to acquire 100% of SatMex for an enterprise value of $1.1 billion. This acquisition, together with the recently ordered Eutelsat 65 West A satellite, will position the group as a major satellite operator in Latin America, reflecting its strategy to expand in high-growth markets. According to Michael DeRozan, Eutelsat CEO, the acquisition of SatMex, together with the order of our satellite for 65 degrees west, will make the Eutelsat a key operator in vibrant digital markets across Latin America. With SatMex strategic orbital slots, state-of-the-art fleet and upcoming satellites, Eutelsat is gaining a robust platform from which to access the significant opportunities in this region. Via these two strategic steps, we are significantly upscaling our presence in Latin America to complement our footprint in fast-growing markets and securing future sources of growth and value creation. Patricio Northland, CEO of SatMex, told SatTV, "This is a very positive outcome for the shareholders and other stakeholders of SatMex, and I am delighted at the prospect of SatMex joining the Eutelsat group."